Hello fighters, how are you doing? We have never discussed a topic of money on this channel. It's a huge motivation for some students. Quick disclaimer, if you do not feel comfortable discussing about money or do not get motivated by it, please do not watch this video. However, if you do choose to watch this video, please watch till the end because half knowledge can be dangerous. Money is really a great motivator if you're getting it immediately. But if you are going to get money somewhere later in the future, you will not get motivated by it. Imagine if I make you an offer. Take 500 rupees now or take rupees 1000 after 1 year. Which option will you choose? Well, most students tend to choose 500 rupees now because it is an instant reward. We do not know what will happen in the future. What will happen in 1 year, and hence the reward of rupees 1000 looks less lucrative. Thus, when you indulge in social media apps, the instant reward that you get from the notifications from the post seem lot more lucrative than 10 lakhs package that you will get after 5 years, because that's a long-term reward. Your hard work today doesn't pay you today, it pays you tomorrow. Let's suppose you do hard work for next 6 months. You spend about 8 hours every day with about 31 days in a month. This much amount of time if you spend, you will get into a good college where you get about a package of 10 lakh rupees on an average. And if your career spans for about 30 years, you will make about 3 crore rupees. If we do the calculation, 1488 hours of hard work equates to about 3 crores of money in a lifetime, which means every hour of hard work equates to about 20,161 rupees. We all know this, but we still do not work hard because this is the reward that we are going to get in the future. We do not get it instantaneously. Now, just imagine if you get paid for your hard work today itself, what will happen? If you study now and you immediately get paid for it. Imagine the future you comes to you and rewards you with the amount of hours you have studied. You can make your mind believe that you are getting instantaneous rewards. Take an envelope, put about 500 rupees into it, since you may not have 20,000 rupees, and every time you finish 1 hour of study, take this envelope, take out the money and feel as if you are getting rewarded by the future you. This money has been sent to you by the future you because of the hard work that you have done for 1 hour. Now you may not have a lot of money to keep rewarding yourself, so you can use the same 500 rupee note again and again as many times as you want to. When you do this regularly and sincerely with a lot of emotions, you will start to feel psychologically that these rewards are immediate, and hence that will motivate you to study more. You will start to understand the importance of each hour in your preparation. Save this video and come back to it later whenever you are lacking motivation. Subscribe to our channel as we will be uploading many more such strategic and motivational videos. If you are still facing issues, you can enroll into our 3 months JEE mentorship program, where we give you motivation, guidance, planning strategy for 3 months. We connect with you one-on-one on phone and on WhatsApp and help you in your preparation.